Also in the news, lunar shuttle heads for the sun and certain disaster.
Also in the news, American lunar mission locked in death struggle.
And on the lighter side of the news, hundreds of capitalists are soon to perish in shuttle disaster.
It was a bitter cold but sparkling clear morning at Cape Canaveral. Here at the last seconds of the countdown.
3, 2, 1, and liftoff. Liftoff of the 25th Space Shuttle mission, and it has cleared the tower.
Engines throttling up, 3 engines now at 104%.
Challenger, go at throttle up.
Roger, go at throttle up.
It happened just over 1 minute into flight.
1 minute, 15 seconds. Velocity 2,900 feet per second. Altitude 9 nautical miles. Downrange distance 7 nautical miles.
From Mission Control, silence. Then the bland, chilling report.
We have a report from the flight dynamics officer that the vehicle has exploded.
A search effort couldn't begin for some 15 minutes after this. Debris, they said, just kept raining from the sky.